everyone, I'm Deopama. Welcome back to my YouTube channel Brush Your GK. The country India is a home to many unique talents, and people here are always crazy to hold some amazing records. More than 80 such unique talent holders have found their place in the latest Guinness Book of World Records. The video features some of the astounding and craziest talent holders with their Guinness World Records. Avatar Singh Moni, 60-year-old resident of Patiala, has created a Guinness World Record for his 100-pound turban. When unwrapped, this turban stretches to 645 meters, which is almost the same length as 13 Olympic-sized swimming pools. And it is very surprising to know that it takes roughly 6 hours to wrap this turban around his head. Indian statesman and founding father Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel's iron statue in Gujarat has entered the Guinness World Records for being the tallest statue. The Statue of Unity measures 597 feet and 1 inch tall. India's real-life Rapunzel, Nilanshi Patel, a 16-year-old from Gujarat, continues to hold the Guinness World Record for the longest hair as a teenager. Her hair length is 6 feet 2 inches long. It takes her half an hour to dry and an hour to comb these locks. Abhishek Dominic of Kerala broke his own record by smashing 124 coconuts in 1 minute with his one bare hand and created the Guinness World Record. Karate Nataraj from Salim holds the record for stuffing the maximum number of straws into his mouth without using his hands. Manikyam, owned by Akshay Envy of Kerala, continues to hold the Guinness World Record for being the shortest cow, measuring 24.7 inches from hoof to rithus. Tilak Kesam, a 7-year-old boy from Manipur, made a world record in the farthest distance limbo skating under bars at the Steri Fort Stadium in New Delhi. He covered a distance of 144.7 meters, covered under the bars in just 56.1 seconds. The longest dosa measures 16.68 meters and was prepared by Hotel Das Palla at the Forum Sujana Mall in Hyderabad, Telangana on 16th November 2014. It was achieved by Radio Mirchi 98.3 FM and Naturalist Refined Sunflower Oil. Sridhar Chillal from Pune, Maharashtra, holds the Guinness World Record for having the longest fingernails on one hand. When you add up the length of each fingernail on Sridhar's hand, the total length is 909.6 centimeters. Oh, that's almost 10 meters long. The suit worn by Prime Minister Narendra Modi has entered the Guinness Book of World Records as the most expensive suit ever sold. One would be surprised to know that the name Narendra Damodar Das Modi is monogrammed in it. The suit was sold at a price of Rs 4.3 crores to a Gujarat-based businessman Shri Lalji Bhai Patel, a diamond merchant and owner of a private airline. The money was used to fund the drive to clean River Ganga. The largest biryani dish, weighing more than 14,000 kgs, was prepared by Kohinoor Foods Limited in Delhi. As recognized by the Guinness World Record, 60 chefs established the record at the Jawaharlal Nehru Stadium. Jyoti Amge, born on 16th December 1993, is just a fraction of 2 foot tall. Following her 18th birthday on December 16, 2011, she was officially declared the world's smallest woman by the Guinness World Records with a height of 62.8 centimeters. If you like this video, do hit a like, share it and subscribe.